हेलो व्यूवर्स, आई एम कल्पना और चलिए आज यहाँ पे हम क्विक रिवीजन लेके आए हैं हिस्ट्री एंड सिविक्स का, जो कि रैंडम कुछ क्वेश्चंस लिए हैं चैप्टर वाइज, जो कि डेफिनेटली आपके एग्जाम पर्पज से बहुत ही यूजफुल होने वाले हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सो नेम द ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट। द ऑर्गन ऑफ द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट आर लेजिस्लेचर, एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशरी। स्टेट द फंक्शन ऑफ लेजिस्लेचर्स, एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशियरी। हमको इसके फंक्शंस बताने हैं। सो द लेजिस्लेचर फ्रेम्स लॉ, क्या करता है? लॉ को फ्रेम करता है। द एग्जीक्यूटिव परफॉर्म्स इट्स फंक्शन in accordance with these law, and while the judiciary interpret the law and applies them in reality। वो reality के साथ apply कैसे हो रहे हैं? Which of the law making body at central level? The parliament is the law making body at central level. Next question, what are the constituents of the parliament? The parliament consists of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the president. Name the list which distribute the subject of legislation between the union and the state. They are the कौन से हैं वो? The union list, the state list and the concurrent list. Mention any two situation when both the houses of the parliament meet for the joint session. कब वो joint session करते हैं? The joint session can be held for the election of the vice president. जब vice president का election होता है तब. Next question है, who summons the budget session every following years? The president summons the budget session of parliament every following years. When does the president summons the parliaments in session? The president summons the parliament in session on the advice of the prime minister and the council of minister within every 6 months. Next question is, what is the maximum gap allowed between the two parliamentary session? दो parliamentary session के बीच में कितना gap होना चाहिए? A gap of maximum 6 months is allowed between two parliamentary session. कितना होना चाहिए? Maximum 6 month का gap होना चाहिए. Next है, who administers the oath of office to the members of the parliament? So president administers the oath of the office of the members of the parliament. India has which type of legislature? किस टाइप का है? India has bicameral legislature. Name the house of the parliament. So house of the parliament are the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Mention the maximum number of members in the Lok Sabha. The maximum number of members in the Lok Sabha is 552 members. Whose does the president nominate in the Lok Sabha? The president nominate two members of Anglo-Indian community. Who exercises a casting vote in case of tie in the Lok Sabha? In case of tie in the Lok Sabha, the speaker exercises a casting vote. Who can dissolve the Lok Sabha before its tenure? The president can dissolve the Lok Sabha before its tenure on advice of Prime Minister. What is the minimum age required to be attended by the member of Lok Sabha? The minimum age required to be attended by the member of Lok Sabha is 25 years. State the minimum number of times the Lok Sabha must meet in a year. So according to the constitution, the Lok Sabha must meet at least twice a year with no more than 6-month break between two sessions. What is meant by the term quorum? Or explain the term quorum. The term quorum refers to the maximum number of members required to be present in the parliamentary procedure. What is the quorum of Lok Sabha? The quorum of Lok Sabha is 1/10 of total number of members. What is the normal term of Lok Sabha? Normal term of Lok Sabha is 5 years. Who elect the members of the Lok Sabha? The member of Lok Sabha are directly elected by a people on the basis of adult franchise from single member constituency. Mention any two devices through which the Lok Sabha exercises control over the Council of Ministers. Question asks, vote of no confidence. An adult Indian citizen holding an office of profit under the state government wishes of contest the election to the Lok Sabha. Is he/she eligible? Give a reason to justify your answer. No, he should not hold an office of profit under the government if he/she wishes on contest of election. Next question. What is the constitutional provision with regard to the representation of Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha? So, according to the Article 79 of the Indian Constitution, of President of India is empowered to elect the two representatives of the Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha. ये थे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस चैप्टर 1 से। आगे कुछ क्वेश्चंस लेकर के फिर आ रहे हैं, तब तक पढ़ते रहिए, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।